Because I want to bring in Gaurav Bhatia. We're hearing Mr. Solanki come up with a completely imaginary story which is now emerging for the first time. So far people haven't heard of this, and he's saying that they were beating up some other student. He's claiming he's got some pictures, which is why Akhilesh Yadav, instead of protecting Mr. Solanki, must immediately order for action to be taken. For action to be taken against Mr. Solanki. Gaurav, why is that not happening? This man comes on TV, he's your MLA, he's brazenly justifying what he's done.
Rahul, I would like to place certain facts and then I would like to discuss the issue in hand. First of all, it has been widely reported in the Hindu and other reputed newspapers as well that the version that Mr. Irfan Solanki is narrating is the version that is true. That all these junior doctors were actually misbehaving with an elderly person and he had to intervene. And then I checked with the authorities in the district also, and I'm talking about senior authorities. It is not that these doctors were innocent. In fact, these doctors went on a rampage. They were doing stone pelting over there where journalists and policemen got injured. Now, after this, if the state government decides to take action against these doctors, then I do not understand that why should
no, but
any
one second, Gaurav Bhatia, Mr. Solanki says pictures exist. The pictures that we've seen are of cops at the behest of Mr. Solanki beating up these doctors. Where are these pictures which he talks of? If these pictures exist, I challenge you to present them in the public domain.
Absolutely.
Present them, I will accept what you're saying.
Yes.
Gaurav Bhatia.
This is what is happening. We are seeing right now. This is what is happening. Such a thing happens in civil society? Does this happen ever? What are we talking?
That has been taken by the police because this lawlessness was created by some junior doctors. I am not saying all doctors, but there were some junior doctors who took law in their own hands. And any government for that matter should deal with the matter.
No, one second. But when you are taking a clearly partisan position on this entire matter, Rita Bahuguna Joshi and Siddharth Nath Singh, can the government be trusted? I want to go across to Rita Bahuguna Joshi. You're seeing how this story is unfolding on center stage. The pictures which are on our screen right now show these doctors being thrashed black and blue by the cops at the behest of the SP MLA. They're saying actually these doctors were beating up an old man. Where are these pictures coming from? Where is this charge being conjured from? I want to go to Rita Bahuguna Joshi first.
Look, the first thing I would like to say is that it's an indefensible situation. And this government specializes in self-inflicting wounds. What they did in Muzaffarnagar was yet not forgotten, and what has happened now, it is escalating into a national issue. Now the question here is twofold. Now the MLA says that they take an oath to serve the people. What kind of oath do the public representatives take? They are public servants. We are here to serve the people. And if we think that we become demigods and we can take law into our own hands, it was such a simple situation. If I accept what they are saying is true, they should have caught that man and handed him over to the police.
Correct.
They should have taken his name and have a case registered against him and have him apprehended. Who is he to beat him up? Who is he? And I think that man should be suspended, the PSO. The security man
is for the security. When you have law and order.
He's not there to interfere.
When the government is not for law and order, you expect things to be sorted out on the streets.
It was not his right to move ahead on the behest of the MLA and interfere. Then the second issue comes, how can you black out a hostel? How can you enter the premises? How can this SSP use abusive language? He says, maro, itna maro ki inki kamar toot jaye. This is all in the video, in the step. I mean, how can you do this? Kanpur Medical College is one of the most prestigious medical colleges. And these young people are the best brains we have. And what stressful conditions they work in. And how long they work?
Those are very important points that Rita Bahuguna Joshi has taken up. And Mr. Solanki, SSP ने बोला कि नहीं बोला, क्योंकि तस्वीरें बताती हैं कि वो SSP कह रहा है कि मारो इतना मारो कि पीठ टूट जाए. आप जो कह रहे हैं कि ये तस्वीरें हैं कि वो किसी बुजुर्ग को मार रहे थे, वो तस्वीरें तो किसी ने देखी नहीं है.
झूठ है.
अगर आपके पास तस्वीरें हैं, डॉक्टर चौधरी कह रहे हैं, चतुर्वेदी कह रहे हैं कि ये झूठ है, तस्वीरें हैं तो आप दिखाइए, वरना आप मानिए कि आपके PSO ने जाके डॉक्टरों को मारा कि नहीं मारा. इरफान सोलंकी जवाब दीजिए.
हॉस्टल में ब्लैकआउट किया और चेस करके मारा गया है.
मारा कि नहीं मारा? इरफान सोलंकी जवाब दीजिए.
जवाब क्या देंगे? जवाब होगा तो देंगे, जवाब है
उनको बोलने तो दीजिए.
चलिए, शुक्रिया आपने मुझे बोलने का मौका दिया क्योंकि जब आप ही अपना पक्ष भी रख रहे हैं और आप ही आप जवाब भी दे रहे हैं, तो फिर आपने हमें क्यों बुलाया, गौरव भाई को क्यों बुलाया, रीता बहुगुणा जोशी जी को क्यों बुलाया? जब सारे सवालों के जवाब आपके पास मौजूद है तो फिर हम लोगों को बुला के क्यों जनता को गुमराह कर रहे हैं? आप ही सारे सवालों के जवाब दे दीजिए। आपने गौरव भाई को बुलाया, आपने
आप ये ज्ञान मत मुझे दीजिए, मैं जो आपसे सवाल पूछ रहा हूं उसका जवाब दीजिए। इरफान सोलंकी, आपके पीएसओ ने, पुलिस वाले ने इन छात्रों को मारा कि नहीं मारा? एसएसपी कह रहा है कैमरे पे कि नहीं कह रहा है कि इनको इतना मारो कि इनकी पीठ टूट जाए? ये किसके कहने पे कह रहा है इरफान सोलंकी? इस सवाल का जवाब दीजिए।
मेरे सामने आपका कोई टीवी नहीं रखा है जो मुझे दिखाई दे रहा है। मेरे कान में से फोन लगा दिया गया और मैं बैठा हूं एक जगह जो मैं आपकी
ऐसा ही होता है टीवी। आप शायद पहली दफा आए, आपको ना मालूम हो, लेकिन टीवी तो ऐसी होती है। तस्वीरें पूरे देश ने देखी है। आई वांट टू गो अक्रॉस टू सिद्धार्थनाथ सिंह because we've seen from Gaurav Bhatia and we are seeing from Irfan Solanki the most brazen cover-up story now being conjured, that these students were beating up some old man and that these pictures exist. We haven't seen those pictures. Siddharthnath Singh, what do you want to tell Gaurav Bhatia and Irfan Solanki tonight?
Well, I think I won't comment on Mr. Solanki. I don't know him, but Gaurav is an educated and a good lawyer. For him to see the pictures which you are showing is actually a classic bookcase of what's happening in Uttar Pradesh. That's called the Samajwadi's Gunda Raj. Let me presume for a minute, and logically let's go ahead. Let's presume that there were some young doctors misbehaving with an elderly person. You had as an MLA, you have a PSO. You went to interfere, and you could have stopped or called them and taken them into custody. But what made you to go and on a rampage, and that too on the police side, and start beating up all the doctors? That is one side of your Gunda Raj which has been unleashed not only through the workers of Samajwadi Party but through your administration also, which is the police in this case. Then it is the 4 days. The Kanpur incident has spread to Banaras, to Agra, to Lucknow, and it is caught up in Delhi also. Correct. What as a governance your government is doing, except saying that you have taken an oath as a doctor to look after the patients?
Those are very important questions, and Gaurav Bhatia must answer them. Gaurav, and I want you to just put those pictures up full screen. Gaurav, look at these pictures. The SSP on camera saying, "Maro, maro, itna maro ki peeth toot jaye." Is this what happens in Akhilesh Pradesh? Can you justify this, Gaurav Bhatia?
Now, Rahul, please allow me to complete myself before you go to another panelist, because otherwise I think you're being very unfair. I only want to say this, that look at the approach of the government. It is not at all partisan. In fact, the Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Akhilesh Yadav, met a delegation of doctors and he assured them that if any person, even from the party or administration, is guilty of taking law in his own hand, then even action would be taken against such a person. But please, if there were junior doctors who took law in their own hands, who went on a rampage, who vandalized vehicles,
Gaurav Bhatia, you're not answering the question that either Dr. Chaturvedi asked, or the point that Rita Bahuguna Joshi is making, or what Siddharth is saying. Siddharth wants to come in and counter what you're saying. Siddharth, go ahead.
Gaurav, hear me out. Very simple. It is the incident which happened on Friday. Something which is a localized. Correct. What is your governance doing? Absolutely. You have no governance in Uttar Pradesh. Absolutely. You should have acted within, let's say, few hours to stop what has happened.
Listen also, before you answer, Gaurav, listen also to Bijan Mishra.
So you are failing in your governance.
The words of the Chief Minister that the doctors are meeting the Commissioner, they are meeting the DM, they have already met the Honorable Chief Minister. They are
no. What action? What action, Gaurav? What action?
Gaurav, why 4 days?
But no action. Because there is nobody interested in action.
No, do you think...
Gaurav,
do you think
these are all stories? Just go on meeting people
one by one.
Even these doctors, even the doctors are getting a chance to put forward their point of view, and they are getting a patient hearing.
No. Very interesting.
One second. Patient hearing, you're beating them up. No, don't make a joke of this. Your SSP is going and beating these students up. I want you to listen. Gaurav Bhatia, give others an opportunity. Listen to Bijan Mishra. Answer what he's saying. Go ahead, sir.
Gaurav, you have to confess that there is a complete bankruptcy of governance.
Absolutely.
You see, what you have to understand, and I must confess, I must vehemently tell you people, that patients cannot be left to die. You have to understand that. It's a serious issue. And you people are here debating that 48 hours have passed, you have not taken action. You do not want to sit to take action and you only give promises. Listen, Gaurav, the point which I want to tell you is, the point which we have to understand, nobody has the right to take the law in his own hand. Let's be very clear on this.
Yes.
And we have to understand governance.
Thank you for saying that.
You have to understand that being the ruling government, you being the ruling government, you being a leader, you should set an example.
What action
you should
will
take
you
action
take
on that?
What action will you take against Irfan Solanki?
Agitation?
Why are you on Irfan Solanki's side?
Why did this action get agitated?
Rahul,
you must take action.
Have you produced any footage to show that either Mr. Irfan Solanki or
Samajwadi Party
with the doctor?